NASA has had out for a very long time an audio recording of the different satellites in our solar system, meaning an audio recording of the sun and the earth and the other planets that are in our solar system. Earth has an audio recording of the planet itself. And what you're going to hear in the audio recording of Earth is something that was absolutely surprising. In the forest, we have vegetation, we have the oceans, we have animals. That vibrating sound is the sounds that you hear. Not because it actually hears down onto the earth. It's not animals that you're hearing in this recording. It's the actual vibration of the planet. The next one, Saturn. Saturn is probably the most creepiest sound you've ever heard. You know, the sound almost begs you to start to want to understand a little bit more of Saturn. And it's almost a cry of staying away from Saturn, as a matter of fact. Now I want to get to the sun. This vibration of the sun actually sounds like the words Om, to which ancient cultures have had this very, this Om mantra that they would do. And you'll see that it's eerie and how it sounds exactly like the sun. The sun itself is something that we identify with simply through its vibrations. Communicating through that distance with us, we can feel the sun without actually having the sensors per se to actually sense what the sun is doing or what it's saying. And the light itself is creating your whole surroundings. It's creating your existence, your experience in life. That light is the light that's being used for you to see everything that's around you. It's all information. And so why is it important? It's because the information that you carry along with you, your thoughts, your intentions, your feelings of love and hate, it affects your surroundings. It affects everything. And so learning to understand the vibrations that is within you and without and surrounding you is not only important, it is your existence. So you can go on and carry on, forget about everything that I mentioned, and you can still live your life. You can go and entertain yourself with music and movies and all kinds of distractions, video games and so on, or you can rise up in a social status as though that's important. It's really not that important. Your connection with all things is what's important. And so when you understand your relationship between you and other people and you and other things, you'll understand that you can feel so much better every day doing whatever it is that you choose to do, simply by understanding the vibrations. Take care, and I wish you well.